TPR.
Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of the TPR Pod. Today's episode is with Bilal Hassan. Bilal Hassan, also known as Mr. Baki on Instagram and the internet. Bilal's a very interesting guy. He does quite a few things. He started off the account as just a photography account with a bit of documentation of Karachi and Pakistan included. That turned into more of a photojournalism kind of role, and he's been doing quite a lot of things. He's been all over the country. He's got several images from various parts of the country, which are not usually the sort of things you'd see in the mainstream news. Speaking of the news, he's written and appeared in numerous publications, local and international: The Guardian, Al Jazeera, Vice, to name a few. Bilal, as you can understand, is therefore quite a person of interest for us, so to speak. So we had him on the podcast and we spoke about a whole bunch of things, including how he got started, obviously, how things change as they often do. There's a through line in all the discussions we've had with content creators where they start it as a hobby, it's great, it's fun, and after a while, when they reach this critical mass of audience and following, things start to take a change. Now you have more opinions. Most of the people who follow you are people who don't know you personally. There's a lot of context missing, criticism, haters, trolls, and sometimes you're doing things with the best of intentions, and that's not how they're received. So we talk about those sort of audience pressures as well, and also we also talk about his fitness journey. He's very outspoken about the importance of fitness in his life. I was surprised as to how recent his initiation into the journey was. A whole bunch of things. It's not as long as some of our previous podcasts, so you'll be happy to learn. It's pretty tight, and we get a whole lot of stuff into it. So yeah, without further ado, episode 121 with Bilal Hassan, also known as Mr. Baki. Stop, start, सब ठीक है, काट पीट के मैं कर दूंगा. How are you doing, man?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Are you in Karachi? I thought you were in Lahore at a wedding. I'm just following your life through social media.
I have like a very fast forward life. Like I'm always just like in one place. Not much. I don't stay in one place much because I get bored very easily. And because of work, also I have to travel a lot. So yeah, I was for a wedding. I was there in Lahore. I was there for like 3 days, and then I just got back. I think just like a day or two back. Getting used to the Karachi life. In fact, Karachi is in lockdown right now, so there's not much to do.
Oh, is it? How serious is the lockdown?
It's very serious. Actually, this is probably the most serious the lockdown has been. In fact, कुछ भी नहीं करना है. Like, in fact, like ये जो दाढ़ी मूछें नहीं, ये लाहौर से बना कर आया हूँ. यहाँ हमारा सब कुछ बंद है यहाँ. Like literally, like emergency, इतनी emergency. So I went like Lahore mein. When I went there, like I couldn't even buy a toothbrush. I couldn't do anything because everything's just closed over here. So either you can home deliver it if you can. Some stores are open, some aren't. But because the virus has spread so much, people avoid going out. I'm vaccinated, obviously, but I'm also a bit scared because I have like elderly people in my house. So So Lahore mein I went, I bought a toothbrush, I went and got a haircut, like basic stuff.
Wow.
Because you can't do that
sab
right now over here. Sab band hai. Apparently kal khulega and everything, but let's see.
Okay. And how long has it been since this is happening? Since this lockdown?
It's been a week. It's been a week, and but the cases aren't exactly dropping or anything. So I have a feeling they might extend it also. In fact, like when I just got back from Lahore, also I heard that they were instating like these micro lockdowns over there also. So like yeah, it's just like that. I mean, I feel like the world is just like this, where they lock down, open, and I think we've just gone used to it now.
हाँ नहीं, I've been mentioning इसी पे. I live in Ireland myself, and इनसे तो like बिल्कुल control नहीं हुआ. So like they had to lock down because otherwise there was no control over the thing. और lockdown महीनों के हिसाब से बस बंद है. And now that they've opened things up, the numbers are rising again. But now they're like, we'll just vaccinate everybody. Or numbers बढ़ रहे हैं, but hospitalizations aren't as much. But like they can't close things.
Yeah, because पहले यहाँ जो था बड़ा vaccine skepticism बहुत था. जिस वही जो पूरी दुनिया में everything, fake news फैल रही है and everything. So initially like एंड जब स्टैट्स भी आए थे तो कराची में भी अगर आप देखें तो एरिया वाइज बहुत डिस्क्रिपेंसी है. तो जैसे लाइक आई लिव इन डिस्ट्रिक्ट साउथ. डिस्ट्रिक्ट साउथ इज मोर राइट से मोर लाइक एजुकेटेड रिलेटिवली मोर एफ्लुएंट. तो यहाँ 60% वैक्सीनेशन हुई हुई थी इस इलाके में, ठीक है. बट यू गो टू लाइक डिस्ट्रिक्ट लाइक द वेस्ट एंड यू गो टू द नॉर्दर्न फ्रिंजेस एंड एवरीथिंग, वहां सिर्फ 10% है एंड एवरीथिंग. So like 10%, 12% unka stats and everything, which isn't exactly great. And in a city like Karachi, where like it's like 20 to 30 million people, like the entire city interacts with one another. So yeah, it's not
And I heard
great.
is it true that लोग कहते हैं आपकी सिम बंद हो जाएगी if you're not vaccinated? Is that stuff real?
They are planning to do that right now. कि आपकी सिम बंद हो जाएगी, bank accounts आपके वो कर देंगे, block walk and everything. So like yeah, it's gone pretty serious. It's gone pretty serious and everything. But like the positive out of this is that like the daily vaccination numbers are rising. So like before there was like around 500,000 people. For 500,000 was like a record last time. Like but now like recently I was reading it was almost like 1.5 million people getting vaccinated daily. So like it has been rising.
Wow.
And they've gone much more efficient with the whole drive. There are 24-hour vaccination centers everywhere. There's drive-through vaccination, everything. So like the government has been very aggressive also.
Right.
I think we've hit like 18 or 19% of Pakistan has been vaccinated already, which is pretty good,
Yeah,
given
that's
how
like
big of
millions
a
of
population
people
we are.
हमारे हिसाब से, yeah. Okay. तो यार speaking of
Almost 40 million.
40 million is
like the UK,
Ireland
the
की
UK's
population.
population.
Yeah, Ireland की population is like 5 million and we're like 70%. महीनों से लगे हैं ये लोग और आखिरकार yeah. Okay. So I thought
ये डिफेंस की आबादी.
Yeah. I mean पता भी नहीं चलेगा. खैर, तो I thought I'd give you like an explanation of why you are on this random podcast who reached out to you out of nowhere. Yeah, my exposure to you obviously is through Instagram, and I called you like a couple months ago, I think, when you had that post.
Yeah, this has been happening for a while.
Yeah. उसके बाद ये हुआ था कि I was like, oh, पाकिस्तान जा रहा हूँ मैं, like a trip is happening, and चलो I'll meet him there in Karachi because I was hoping to do a podcast there. फिर all of that went to hell because of the flight cancellations and अलग मसले मसाइल. तो अब हम औकात पे वापस आ गए and we're on Zoom again. I was aware of your like work on in Instagram as like a photographer. But जैसे जैसे वक्त गुजर रहा था, I was seeing you're doing like more and more things. I knew of your work like photography wali through, I believe his name is Usman, totally trash Lahore wala boy jo hai.
Yes. Islamabad, yes.
Oh, he's Islamabad? Okay. So, वो मुझे पता चला था. Then you posted that story about people coming to you for tours for Karachi, and I was like, अच्छा, अच्छा ये भी एक चीज है. Then there was a Patari collaboration with the podcast on like I think street food it was. So
yes.
I was getting more and more curious कि bro ये boy करता क्या है? मतलब like how many things does he do?
Yeah.
And then
ये बहुत सवाल मिलते हैं everything. ये बहुत एक सवाल आते हैं.
Yeah, and you're also a psychologist, a psychiatrist?
I'm in the process. That is one thing which I'm intending to do right now. Psychiatrist.
Okay. I thought we could start talking about like how you got into, I suppose photography is one of your first content creation related works.
Yes. Absolutely. So basically जो scene ये था, I started just posting photographs just like out of frustration basically, and it was just catharsis. It was I think around 2014-15, and Pakistan was in the news for like all the wrong reasons. Basically all the wrong reasons. And I'm not going to deny that did not happen. Like it did happen. It would be whitewashing by saying it did not happen. Like, I mean, the Peshawar attacks happened. Malala got shot in the head. Kuch nahi to kuch hamari cricket team bhi zaleel ho rahi thi, like betting scandals and all that stuff. So like, and I noticed that the international media had become obsessed with this one crazy jungly narrative of Pakistan. And that is that, and they just basically became obsessed with this weird pagal
most
state
dangerous
and
country in the world.
Most dangerous, corrupt people, everything about us was wrong. And then that is all that there was in the headline. Like I said, I'm not going to deny that didn't happen, but I felt like there was a huge chunk. In fact, there was a large chunk that was not even talked about. I didn't want it to be like very like, oh, positive Pakistan or like propaganda kind. I just wanted people to like just like humanize the Pakistani experience because we'd been so demonized and dehumanized to everyone. I just wanted to humanize it and just show people, hey, we're like regular people, man. Like, I mean, यहाँ भी लोग मजाक करते हैं, यहाँ भी like people like to have a good time, यहाँ भी date wait पे जाते हैं and everything. So like it was kind of like just like humanizing it like one post at a time. And like if you notice, I write captions and everything. So like I take my time out to try to put together like a particular instance, कुछ भी होगा जिसकी वजह से it opens up a window for an outsider to come and get to know us better. So that's how it basically started, and then just one thing just led to another. Like a few papers started noticing me. They were like, "Hey, could you write up something for us? We noticed that you do something different." And I was like, "Sure." So I'd write for them, and I think the first thing that I wrote was for Dawn, which is our local paper. And then someone from Toronto read that, and it was like the Toronto Star, which is like the largest newspaper in Canada. They were like, "Hey, could you write something similar for us? Because we have a huge Pakistani audience over here in Toronto." I was like, "Sure." And from there, just like one thing led to another. Then Vice happened, and then the Guardian happened, and lo and behold, Dr. Bilal also became a photojournalist.
Right. So the thing when you started in 14, this I'm assuming by started you mean started posting on Instagram.
Yes.
So उस वक्त से was this narrative like there in your mind that you want to show like there's a normal side to Pakistan as well, or were you just posting pictures and you realized through that process कि ये narrative
I'd say a mix of both. Initially तो like obviously कोई international audience का domestic audience भी कोई नहीं थी. Like I mean 30-40 लोग थे like जो अपनी list पे which is basically just your classmates, and you know how classmates are. ठीक है, they're like हाँ क्या पागलों वाली तस्वीर लेता है, अरे क्यों उतना time ज़ाया करते, like that was the stuff. And now those very people are like, "Hey, can you give me a shout out?" I was like, "Yeah, cool, bro. cool story, bro. Cool story, bro." ठीक है. तो yeah, like ये मेरी बेगम का कपड़ों का business है. Please shout out दे दो. तो yeah. तो yeah. Initially, it was just basically, I think it was just more like exploration, self-exploration, I'd say. Okay. I would just go to like different areas in Karachi, just to like see if I'd read about something interesting, like a Jewish graveyard or something. I was like, oh, I'll go check it out. I'll just post about it and see if someone finds it interesting. And I see like one post at a time. I also connected with like-minded people, and I realized, hey, I wasn't the only one in this country who thinks like this. And then it just became a huge community, like with people connecting with people in Lahore, Multan, Peshawar, Gilgit, Pakistan. So like it just became one huge thing.
Right. So then, as the photography thing grows, when do you get like in your mind like famous? Like when is your following further than you expected it to be?
I think it's been a very, very gradual process, like a very, very gradual process. And I can't like pin it down to when it was like, when was that one instance that, it was like, but it was like a very, very gradual process. I think it was more, if I could pin it down, it was, I covered the Football World Cup in Liari. So Liari is one neighborhood in Karachi where football is much more popular than cricket. Yeah. So there was this filmmaker over there. His name was Ehsan Baloch, and he invited me over. He was like, "Hey, you should come and cover this and everything." And I didn't expect anything over there. I mean, in fact, I expected nothing. I didn't know what to expect. And I get there, and its walls are like painted with like flags of like Argentina, Brazil, and like the rooftops are like decorated with all these flags. And it was like I was in like somewhere in Latin America, like Buenos Aires or Rio. So I covered that. I posted on my page, and so Everyday Brazil, like a page picked it up and they just reposted it. And then what happened was Vice, they got in touch with me. They're like, "Hey, can you write something and do like photographs of this and everything?" So I was like, "Sure." And then Vice translated it into Portuguese for the Brazilian audience. So it became like a connection between Pakistan and Brazil and everything. And so, yeah, I could like probably, I'd say like that was one instance where like I felt like, okay, now my following is not just confined to Karachi. And now I have like more people reaching out to now. Then it just like one thing led to another.
Vice, I think, was also one of the publications that were talking about, most dangerous city in the world. Yes, tarah ki vibes thi about Pakistan.
Yes, and I've called them out for it. Like I've called them out for it also. I was like, your coverage is pretty bigoted, is sense and everything. And I think Joe Vice, one of the founders, is also Pakistani, and I think he has also like admitted that yes, in his initial years, his coverage of Pakistan was very I'd say like one-sided unipole, and he was also obsessed with this one side and everything. And a lot of Pakistanis who live here have called him out for it. But again, it's different because the thing is, you're shaped by your surroundings, no?
Yeah.
I as a Pakistani who live in Pakistan will probably see things from a very completely different perspective as someone, and he's someone who's grown up, lived in Canada, never come to Pakistan. So to him, that is what seemed like the most interesting story about Pakistan.
Yeah, and also probably because his family left Pakistan, though nobody leaves Pakistan in like the best of circumstances, right?
No, exactly.
So there's probably some baggage there also that he felt.
And no, exactly. But then like one that he admitted that one of his most viral videos was once he went to a gun market in Peshawar and everything,
video.
and then he was just shooting up in the air and everything. Yeah. But then he realized how dangerous it was because he was perpetuating a stereotype about Pakistan, which was of a Pakistani sub-terrorist and are just crazy and everything. And it has like 8 or 10 million hits, and he's admitted, he's like, I did not realize it that way. I was like, you should have talked to us. We would have told you before. We would have told you.
Vice ke early days mein, like they were also supposed to be that like counter culture sort of, hum aapko real news de rahe hain, aur wo it became like a bit sensationalist also, where it was like, you know, they just started chasing the extreme a bit. But then with regards to your own work, now you're a photographer, you're also working as sort of like, as somewhat called like a photojournalist, vagera.
Yes.
When do people start getting in touch with you, non-publications? I'm talking about the tour thing. When do you get involved in like how?
Oh, that was one of the most initial things that happened, because when I used to post, like I said, I used to just go to like off the beaten track places in Karachi. It was more like initially it was just like finding stuff that was interesting, maybe that like I thought that people would find interesting, you know, like I said, the Jewish caveman and everything. So initially people already started knowing that this is one person who knows about the city or likes digging around. So they would initially it started off as like hey, I have this friend visiting from out of town, or hey, this is my relative or my cousin, can you show them around? And that's how it started. So initially it was just basically like as an adventure. I wouldn't charge anyone or anything. I didn't even think there was a need to charge anyone. I was like, yeah, sure, I'll show you around and everything. But then what happened was like, along the way I realized that hey, मैं तो अपना petrol भी खर्च कर रहा हूँ, मैं अपना time भी लगा रहा हूँ यहाँ. I was like, and there was a friend like who like was way ahead in the game and everything, and like not game, like on social media, and they were like, hey, why are you doing this with me? You should be charging people for this. And then he's like, these people, if they go to Barcelona and everything, they go to Amsterdam, they're going to pay good money for this. Or tum apni gaadi mein leke ja. I was like, yes, I should charge people for this. And then I started doing like little private tours, one or like on the weekends. So I think the headphones are working. We're connected in a bit. So and then I was like, sure, I'll just, and that's how I just started and everything.
Yeah, because the thing is, and this is like, I think that's where you once saw me like rant about something, is that in Pakistan this happens very often where people want to take you for a free ride, and किसी तरह से जो है ना उनको चाहिए होता है किसी तरह से मेरा मुफ्ता निकल जाए बस, ठीक है, and they don't want to pay for a service. And I think like again, like I even learned along the way that that no lunch should be for free. Like, I mean, you should be, if you're providing a service, you should charge people for it. And then it actually just became a word of mouth thing that this person takes someone out for tours, and I used to do half day tours, full day tours and everything, and it became like a full business. And then along with like a friend of mine, we co-founded Pakistan's first guided tour bus. So like, yeah.
Oh, so was it you guys, the Karachi one?
Yeah, Super Safari Express. Yes, I'm the co-founder. So like, yeah, doctor, photojournalist, identity crisis.
Yeah.
Bringing shame to my brown family.
What is happening in your like, I would call your real life, but like what's happening in your regular life, like padhai vagera ka at this point now?
My regular life, like, is basically just doctor. 90% of the time is just doctor and everything. photojournalism in the sense is like if I get a gig and everything, I go cover it, or something if I'm passionate about, I just go cover it. That is like, I think it's more like in my free time, I'd say, and
Hmm.
that's what I do and everything. And like people from my account would seem like they say मैं तो यही कर रहा हूँ and
Yeah, yeah,
everything,
yeah.
but the thing is कि usually if I'm go somewhere to like cover something and everything, it's usually for a day. Like even Lahore, I just went for 3 days, but you're going to see me post like a lot about it because
Sure.
I'm very organized in the sense that I use my notes and I write down exactly मुझे क्या क्या cover करना होता है, and so like, and I was like इसके ऊपर story करनी है, इसके ऊपर करनी है, इसके ऊपर करनी है, इसके ऊपर करनी है. So I utilize my time very efficiently that way.
Hmm.
But then I uploaded like over 2 3 like weeks, sometimes even months. Like I still haven't finished uploading stuff from Peshawar, and I was in Peshawar just for 6 hours, and it would seem like I was in Peshawar for 2 months. ठीक है?
Yeah.
So I was literally just there for 6 hours. So that's how I work basically.
But then
Um,
you're becoming a doctor also, but I think ये content wala scene is also like 2014 से चल रहा है.
yes,
And that's a long time, and there's the
I think
poor.
now it's become like a side hustle also.
Yeah.
In the sense ke like I've like alhamdulillah I'm at that stage where I also make money off of it. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Because initially it was at times more than I make from medicine, but I'm just going to be very frank about that. ठीक
Yeah.
है?
Yeah.
So it's not something which I can like my mom often like because like she's a desi mom, ठीक है, and she's like इसको बंद कर दो, इसको छोड़ दो and everything. I was like फिर जो आप ये महंगे महंगे मुझसे जो gifts मांगती है, you will not get them because medicine does not pay me that much.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
let's just be real, ठीक है. So yeah, and so that's how you have to kind of it does play with your head a lot and everything. You're like, nay, medicine is also very demanding. I need to give exams, you padna aur sara and everything. But at the same time, you also realize that you got into this stage, like
Yeah.
alhamdulillah, where like like, and it's been like years of in the making where you're like, okay, now I can make something off of it. ठीक है? Like you get brand endorsements, which is different and everything. Some of the biggest brands in the world contact you and they pay good money and everything, and then you're like, this isn't too bad. Initially,
Uh,
it messes with your head because you're
yeah.
like, because you want to be a bit of a purist and everything. You're like, नहीं मैं stage पे मैं इसलिए नहीं आया था, मुझे ये नहीं करना है and everything. Um, but then kabhi kabar you're like, like it isn't too bad. Like
Hmm.
and like I'll tell you, like sometimes there's some brands they come up with really really weird endorsements and they're like, ये करो, and they're paying good money. Like, but
Right.
then you're like, नहीं यार, ये नहीं इतना मैं नहीं कर सकता, ये मैं नहीं करूंगा. ये
Give me
नहीं.
like without any specifics, like what sort of scenario are we talking
It was
about?
recently there actually two. There was two, and I was like, यार ये तो मैं नहीं कर सकता. So basically, like I've been working out and everything, and I've
Yeah.
been like, so I post like some gym pictures like that like showing the progress and everything. So there was this one brand. It was like a male hair removal cream. They were like, we want you to do this, and they're like, you have to make a video of you showing how you're using it.
Oh,
I was like,
okay.
shirtless picture. I will do it now. I was like, I worked hard for this. I
Yeah.
will put it up. I will put that picture. I will flex. I will do all of it. मैं अभी करने को तैयार हूँ. I'll put the picture up. Like,
Yeah.
no, you have to put a video tutorial of you using it.
Oh,
I
okay.
was like, यार ये थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया. ये मैं नहीं कर सकता. मैंने कहा ये मेरे लिए बहुत ज्यादा है and
Yeah.
everything. And then they
Also,
were
I've
like,
never seen this. I've never seen this being done. Like you see,
that
you
and
see
yeah, like
these.
they were like, because we're trying to market it, and you have a following and you work out and we want you to show how people use it. I was like, no, I'm not doing this. ठीक है. I was like, and I gave them so many. I was like, नहीं मैं इस तरह लगा दूंगा, मैं वैसे I'll put a picture. I was like, I'll flex and shit and I'll do all that. They're like, नहीं ये नहीं, हमें वो नहीं चाहिए, हमें
Video ही
tutorial
चाहिए.
चाहिए.
Oh wow.
वो ही
Okay.
चाहिए, and they're paying good money, like good
Right.
money, and it really really messes with your head. You're like, यार
शायद मैं
एक
कर लेता
मिनट का,
हूँ.
and they just want like 1 minute का video, and they're like giving you like 200,000-300,000 rupees just for
Oh
that.
shit.
and
अच्छा.
and I'm like, and मैं अपने हेड में सोच रहा हूँ, मैंने कहा कर ले इज्जत. फिर मैंने कहा इज्जत भाड़ में जाएगी मेरी, कोई so like, and yeah, so you have there sometime. Then there was like one that recently came, they were like, it's some steroid or something. They're like, आप ये लेते हो and everything, male stamina improves and everything. And they're like, do it while you're working. I was like, मैं doctor हूँ, so like मेरा license चले जाएगा इस चक्कर के अंदर, and the medical community will come after me.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay. So, but like, I was wondering because initially, जो सारी बातें हो रही थी, and I was like, you were thinking of this as like creative expression, and this is a hobby, something I do in my free time. असल में तो मैं doctor बन रहा हूँ. But
Yeah.
as the opportunities start rolling in, you have to start thinking about it in a more either you refuse all
Yeah.
opportunities, ठीक है? And you're
Yeah.
like, बस मैं ये तस्वीर लगा रहा हूँ, and I don't give a shit पैसे आए ना आए, this is my thing, you fit with me. But
Yeah.
the ये वाला जो है ना, when did you like start thinking about it more in terms of like a strategy? Like you were saying, you go to Peshawar for 6 hours, you make notes, you make the shorts, they're posted over. I think because now you're thinking in terms of consistency,
Yeah.
इस तरह के
Exactly.
सवालात, which don't happen when you're like a
No.
casual person. So
Absolutely.
what sort of period of time, considering we're not thinking of overnight changes, what sort of period of time was this when you started thinking, yeah, I need to take this more
I'd
seriously?
say specifically it was like the beginning of the pandemic, like which was
Acha.
very recently, which was like right now, which was I think last year, Feb March was when it happened and everything. So we all basically just went into lockdown, and I think it just gave me a lot of time to think. And at that time I was like, hey, you're not really going out
Right.
anywhere. But somehow the page has to. I also have to keep the page going. And it was at this time also where all a lot of the paid stuff started coming in. It started trickling in, and a lot of it was. And I'd never done any of these paid things in anything like I was also like one of those very purists where I was
Yeah,
just like,
sure.
ye main nahi karunga and everything. And the first like proper I'd say paid gig that came was from a hand washing thing. It was like a soap and everything.
Sure.
And I liked their campaign because it was related to COVID. They were like, we want you to make a video with your grandmother, encouraging people to wash their hands. And I was like, this is interesting. And I was like, it's also spreading awareness, and I get paid also, which isn't too bad. And then from there, I realized, okay, so I was like, I have to find a happy balance somewhere because I want to be able to post my content also, but if I and I can also make this a little side hustle also at the same time. But I was like, in order to make this a side hustle, I have to be posting like
Yeah,
a bit
regularly.
regularly
Yeah.
ish, or I have to have content on my page because obviously they look if brands are approaching you, they have to see that if this person has an active page or a dormant page. If it's dormant, but you could have all the followers, but they won't come.
Yeah.
So that was something. So then it started becoming strategy. Then I started making notes. I was like, what are things I want to cover?
Mm.
So while we were just in Karachi and everything, I mean, I started traveling once the case started trickling down. Then I was like, okay, so before even going, what are things I could cover? And I was like, and how long can I extend this out for? And that's when it started becoming a strategy. So like when I went to Gwadar, I was very clear on what I wanted to do. I was like, I need to interview this person, I need to interview with this person, I need to do a post or a story on this, I need to do a story on this. And that's how I spaced around. And I was like, in between, if I have a campaign or something, I'll fit it in.
Mm.
So that way, where you're posting your content also, you also have you sandwich it in with a little bit of like your paid stuff. So that way, even your audience doesn't get annoyed
Yeah.
कि यार इसका तो account पूरा बिक गया है, ठीक है, that
Yeah.
kind of thing. You're posting your stuff and you're also happy that way. So like
Did
you have
that?
to find a very happy balance because there are some pages which are just become advertisement pages.
Yeah.
You don't want to become a billboard.
Yeah. Did that happen? Was that a concern with you, your audience? Because again, if people
Yes,
are
yes,
following you,
absolutely,
they were
absolutely,
like, ये तो
absolutely.
बंदा, used
Yes,
to be a
yes.
photojournalist, अब ये क्या हो रहा है?
Yes, absolutely. Because and that's why I didn't do it before. But जब भी पहले भी approach करते थे, I'd say no. I was like नहीं नहीं ये मुझे नहीं करना, ये मुझे नहीं करना. And I was like because like I worked very hard to get to this stage and everything. Um, but then like I feel like एक थोड़ा reality check भी हुआ था. I was like, hey, like and this was like a friend gave me, like same friend just ने कहा था, why are you giving these tours for free and everything. He was like, Bilal, like you've gotten at this stage, you've worked so hard to get this stage where people approach you and you have some of the biggest brands in the world, like Spotify. I was one of their brand ambassadors for Spotify when they came here, and and he's like, why are you going to say no to this? And usne kaha, obviously don't become a billboard. If you become a billboard, like then obviously people will go away. But he's like, somehow you have to find a happy balance where you continue being yourself. And even if you're making content or your video and everything, when I tried to talk to brands, I was like, I want to keep this as myself as possible, because sometimes they give you a script,
Yeah.
and I was like, I want to keep this as myself and as relatable as possible, because you don't want to alienate your audience, and so that was my concern.
Yeah. Yeah.
It still is whenever like someone approaches me for a campaign and stuff. I was like, let me think about it, I'll get back to you, let me see if I could do it that way. Like the hair removal thing, I was like, this will not go down well. This will alienate everyone.
Yeah. 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 Okay. What this trip you mentioned, you were taking a trip last year, when the pandemic started to lessen a bit. Was this made with the purpose of content creation?
No, no. Basically, like it was one of those photojournalistic trips
Sure.
where I was recruited to profile Pakistanis doing exceptional work
Okay.
all over the country and everything. So there have been a lot of people who I've profiled. Some like I choose them. Some like they give me. Sometimes I just profile them out of interest and everything. I was
Right.
like, just want
Right.
to know these people. So it's been a lot of people like where I've interviewed. So it was one of those trips where I was supposed to go interview the first female vlogger in Balochistan. Her name was
I
Anita
remember
Jalil.
that. Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, and she was also like coincidentally my host over there also. So like it was very interesting for me because I got my first proper real experience of being around people from the Baloch ethnicity and everything, and Baloch life, Baloch culture, and everything. So it was very interesting for me. Then I over there, Udhari, I had to also interview the last fisherwoman of Gawadar. So like
Yeah.
it was. So these were like two particular stories which I had gone to cover there. So, and why? Because and then Anita noticed that I was like really curious and like I had a lot of questions. So then she gave me like a proper tour. She's like, "Hey, ये हमारा stadium भी है. You see it a lot on Instagram. This is the port." And yeah, so like I saw quite a bit of Gwadar. Again, it was one of those very short but very efficient Bilal style trips where I went for like 2 days, 3 days, but
Yeah.
like had a ton of material.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Okay.
like I believe in one thing, like आप घर पे आके सो लेना while you're on a trip. You'd
Yeah.
not
Yeah.
like
100%.
just
नहीं, when I was coming to Pakistan ना, उसमें I was going to be in Islamabad mainly, और वहाँ कुछ नहीं होना था podcast related. But बीच में मेरा plan था कि मैं 3 दिन के लिए कराची आऊँगा, and I'm going to make like 7 episodes in that.
yeah.
And people were like, यार ये कैसे होगा? मैंने कहा यार we'll see. But plan है
हो जा
मैं, yeah, when I go back to Islamabad वहाँ जाके मैं सो जाऊँगा. So
yeah,
I
yeah,
agree.
yeah.
When you're doing all of this now, you're a Karachi guy. You've
Yeah.
seen other cities, but when you start pursuing ye interview wala angle, photojournalism wala angle, and I'm sure you feel like there is now more, as your influence grows, as your audience grows, you would start feeling ke mere upar, there's more eyeballs. You feel
Yes.
like
Yes.
more responsibility as
Absolutely.
well.
Yes.
How did you start perceiving like the work in a different manner, in the sense कि पहले तो you were like, I'm just interested, this is a cool thing, media में नहीं आ रही, मैं दिखा दी.
Yes, absolutely. Because initially, like I said, like pehle tha, it was just like it wasn't
Yeah.
even serious. I didn't even take it seriously. Like I mean, let alone the people around me take it seriously. It was just like, hey, this is cool. Post, have a look at it. I didn't even care कि कोई देख रहा है, कोई नहीं देख रहा है, share कर रहा है. Like none of that
Yeah.
mattered. It was like I said, it was catharsis. बस एक वो निकल रही थी, एक frustration type थी जो सारा निकल रही थी. And मुझे लग रहा था 10-20 लोगों ने देख लिया, बहुत अच्छी बात है, ठीक
Yeah.
है. But yeah, like recently it has become more like that where you're like, oh damn, like so many people look at this. It gives me anxiety also
Yeah.
sometimes where I was like, okay, like sometimes I've gone on the street and people have recognized me, or like I've been at the airport and someone's like, oh, I was on the same flight as you, and I was like, oh, okay, nice, nice. Yeah, it's nice. It's humbling and everything where you realize that, oh wow, like people know your work and everything, because I know I'm very niche. It's very niche work. It's not like everyone's cup of tea and everything, but at the same time, like I also have come to realize कि कितनी बड़ी responsibility है social media, and it can be used both in a positive and negative. Positive in the sense that yes, you can raise issues and you can talk about them also. But at the same time you also realize कि जितनी बड़ी फॉलोइंग है और अगर जितना आप इशू पे बात करोगे उतनी ही आपको गालियां भी पड़ेंगी एंड वो ठीक ठाक पड़ती हैं ठीक है एंड yeah, like I'll give you an example. So recently, Abhi, like the Noor Muqaddam case, which happened was in the Islamabad, that the murder that happened, like this gruesome crime and everything. So like initially, I was like, जो मेरा पूरा था, I was like, I'm gonna share stuff on my stories and everything and amplify all the voices who are talking about it because साफ सी बात है. And then like I posted like I think it was just like around that time I posted just an Eid photo of myself. Like, I was just feeling myself. So when tasveer laga di, theek hai. I got like viciously attacked on that photo and everything. There like three women died and everything, and you're posting cutie pie photos of yourself. How dare you not say anything? And then people like send you in your DMs. You're like, you have such a big following. Why are you not saying anything? And then I realized I was like, just by sharing was not enough. They wanted me to say something because they see you, and you don't want to because I'll give you why. Because like in Pakistan, like as a guy, you're like I know my privilege and everything, and I don't want the people who jinki voices deserve to be like heard and everything. I don't want to take that away from them. You get what I'm saying? मुझे पता है अगर मैं आदमी होता मैं बोलूंगा मैं privilege की line में वैसे ही सबसे पहले आगे आ जाऊंगा मुझे ये पता है and I'm very well and very cognizant of this ठीक है and I was like नहीं like the women are speaking I'm just sharing their stuff उन्हीं की बातें सुननी चाहिए and everything and I'm just continue उन्हीं की सुन but then people come after you they viciously come after you they're like you आप बोलते क्यों नहीं है आप चुप क्यों बैठे हुए हैं ठीक है
इरफान जुनेजो ने कश्मीर पे वीडियो क्यों नहीं बनाई that's my example हर episode में आ
so
रही है
so okay so like I was like okay सही I was like I will and then another thing then you have to be very careful मैं किस चीज पे बोलूंगा मैं किस तरह इसको phrase करूंगा and like I never used to think about these things and I was like okay, so like I was like I don't want to be that guy who's mansplaining like you know like या ये मेरा ये ख्याल है या feminism की definition ये है and everything and everyone's like excuse me just shut up man like just shut up like I was like ये भी नहीं करना then I was like then like I had this instance where like I this Baloch colleague of mine where like she explained to me my privilege कि तुम्हारी क्या privilege and you are very privileged and then I just wanted people to understand privilege ka context in a very Pakistani context. So I made the post on that. The post went like hugely viral. Like a lot of people.
This is the one that was on I think Al Jazeera as well.
Yeah, and then they picked it up and then they were like, "Hey, we want you to talk about it and everything." And then again, wohi wali baat hai where like you're 50-50 in your head. You're like, "Should I do this? Should I not do this?" and everything. And I did it and everything because I asked them, I was like, "Aapka nazariya kya hai?" and everything. And then like as a point, like you don't even want to be that token guy, jisko bulayenge token. This guy supports women in Pakistan. He will talk and everything. I don't want to be an anomaly. I want every guy in Pakistan to support women. You know, like I don't want to be. You know, like वो जैसे होता है like CNN पे they call the token black guy बुला देते हैं. Like yeah, okay, this is token black guy. I was like, I don't want to be that person, and you're very cognizant of that. ठीक है. I was like, I want all guys to support this. This should be normal. I shouldn't be an anomaly. And then I did the Al Jazeera thing, and then that was also like very 50-50. Like not 50-50. Like majority of the response was like everyone was like, yeah, this was great and everything. But then there was like a few women that like came in my DMs. They're like, you should absolutely not be speaking on this. You should just shut up. Like, and they're like, आपका कोई हक नहीं बनता इसके बाद. And मैंने कहा, I understand, मेरा कोई हक नहीं बनता, मगर आप अगर वीडियो भी देखा, I'm not mansplaining or anything. I'm not doing any of that. I'm literally just explaining my privilege and everything. But I understand their perspective also. And then a part of you are also second guessing yourself. You're like, यार, you know, like you're like, हाँ शायद मुझे actually नहीं बोलना चाहिए था, शायद मुझे कुछ भी नहीं बोलना चाहिए, you know. So like that's what I mean to say is कि like क्या like जितनी आपकी बड़ी होती है फॉलोइंग उतना आपको ज्यादा समझ आता है कि कितनी आपके ऊपर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, कितनी आपके ऊपर आई बॉल्स है, कितना आपका हर लफ्ज की निकाल के उसका कुछ बनाया जाता है and everything.
Especially because you're not just like, you know, this guy's like a, you know, amateur model. He just dresses up and takes pictures now,
या
because
नो नो
those people will
प्याराग्राम,
be,
उसे उसे
हाँ,
प्याराग्राम कहते हैं,
अच्छा.
प्याराग्राम नहीं प्याराग्राम,
I
सिर्फ
will make a
प्याराग्राम.
note of paragram. But like those people, उनसे कोई नहीं कहेगा कि आपने इस बात पे, क्यों opinion नहीं दिया.
नहीं,
But because you made the mistake of giving your opinion about something in the past,
because I have given my opinion
yeah,
before, I have like,
now
and
you're
I've
the
been
guy जिससे
जिससे
लोग,
expect होगा,
हाँ,
expected होगा. So I and like just like I said, like this time around I was like nahi, I'm sharing, I'm amplifying other
yeah,
voices, this is what I want to do. I was like, it's like I should not be like that person. It's like, and वही वाली बात, you're like, I do not want to take up space. अब मुझे
yeah,
space नहीं लेनी है, साफ सी बात है
yeah,
ये. कि साफ सी बात है, privilege होगी, आप सबसे, मुझे पता है आदमी मर्द होते हैं, मुझे सबसे पहले लाइन में खड़ा कर देंगे, और मुझे नहीं होना वो, साफ सी बात है. और ये औरतें, trans, queer people and everything, they are the ones who should be speaking, और वो उन्हीं का space and everything. I should just be a good ally. ये मेरी job होनी चाहिए, ठीक है. But या फिर जब आपके ऊपर आता है वो सारा and everything, and then वही बात है, like even right now, like I'm just second guessing कि यार क्या करना चाहिए, किस तरह करना चाहिए, ये वाली बातें होती हैं आपके ऊपर.
yeah, because it's not even
कि
like, it seems like there's no right decisions at times.
there is no right decision, and
Yeah,
I feel like abhi like I've come down to the bottom line where आप if you're on such a public platform and uh, you can't make everyone happy, and I think मैंने इरफान and सबको देखा and everything, आप बोलेंगे तब भी आप गालियां खाएंगे, आप नहीं भी बोलेंगे तब भी आप गालियां
yeah,
खाएंगे.
yeah.
So that's it basically. I
And कुछ
like
पता नहीं, like you
on
can't
the other
even,
spectrum, I was getting attacked by 13-year-old boys. They're like, he's like, ये तो feminism जो है तो feminazis हैं, ये तो कोई यहूदी साजिश है. I was like, यार आपको तो puberty भी नहीं हुई है शायद अभी, ठीक है, please. Like शायद दाढ़ी भी नहीं निकली है आपको, तो like
yeah, there's a whole
it's
spectrum.
it's a whole spectrum. So yeah, it's
Yeah, because
yeah, that's
this is becoming like, abhi in, because a lot of what we do is talk to, content creators in Pakistan, and सबका यही होता है कि there's like a threshold, because पाकिस्तान में मसले भी बहुत हैं. I don't know
बिल्कुल
अगर वो मसले are more or less than other places, but like पाकिस्तान के हिसाब से पाकिस्तान में मसले हैं,
बिल्कुल है.
and eventually you will come up against, there's also a privilege wali baat where people who might be living in cities, going to decent schools, being exposed to English media, their mindset might be going in a certain way, which might not match the majority of the country. तो जब आप
बिल्कुल.
शुरू में आए थे, आपकी इन्फ्लुएंसेस थी, लाइक अमेरिका में ऐसा हो रहा है, इंग्लैंड में ऐसा हो रहा है, नॉट यू बट अदर्स, एंड देन there's like now this whole wave of Pakistanis and people around the world who go on the internet, Twitter especially, कि भाई यहाँ issues पे बात होती है and you have to give your opinion.
Yeah,
And this guy's famous. What the fuck is he saying? How dare he say this? Or
yeah.
why did he not say this? Or why did he not say this? मतलब there's always with everyone a change in their perspective where they're like, yeah bro, good scene है.
ये एक और लाइक ये बात है कि like जैसे फॉलोइंग बढ़ती जाती है, आप रियलाइज करते हैं आपकी फॉलोइंग, एंड आई थिंक मुझे रिसेंटली ख्याल है कि आपकी फॉलोइंग कितनी डाइवर्स हो जाती है. जैसे इनिशियली लाइक आई सेड, वो पहले बस मेरे लाइक 10-20 जो आपके
Yeah,
स्कूल के दोस्त होते हैं, वो कॉलेज स्कूल के, तो वही हैं आपके, जिसमें लाइक सम आधे आपको सीरियसली लेते ही नहीं है, ठीक है, वो होता है, ठीक है. तो बट देन ग्रेजुअली फिर वो I'd say जो बढ़ता है वो आप ही का एक प्रिविलेज तबका होता है, एक
yeah,
एको चेम्बर ही होता है,
yeah,
इट इज स्टिल एन एको चेम्बर, ठीक है. I think once you cross the 10K barrier and everything, you realize how diverse it is and how like diametrically opposed to one another the opinion is. Like यही जैसे मैं कह रहा हूँ, like recently Al Jazeera वाले के ऊपर like I said, the majority of the response is fine and everything, but जो hate भी था ना, या जो जिनको इख्तिलाफ था मुझसे कि मैं क्या
yeah,
बोला, वो भी diametrically opposed opinions थे. Like one was that जो मुझे लाइक कह रहे थे कि आपको आदमी के तौर पे बोलना ही नहीं चाहिए, ये आपकी
yeah.
प्रिविलेज ये है, और मुझे डबल स्कूल करा जा रहा है मेरी प्रिविलेज पे. वो एक स्पेक्ट्रम, दूसरा स्पेक्ट्रम जो है, ये सारी यहूदी साजिश है, ये सब
Yeah,
बकवास है, ये नॉनसेंस है. सो यू नोटिस कि कितने लाइक ये आपकी कितनी वाइड स्पेक्ट्रम हो जाती है ऑफ ओपिनियंस एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स वेयर like I also get like anxiety at times when like if I'm even picking up an issue, I was like, oh god, what am I doing, why am I getting into this, ये क्या होगा, और मुझे क्या क्या किधर किधर से क्या क्या मुझे सुनने को मिलेगा. So yeah.
yeah. Do you think this? It might be too early to be asking this question, but do you think that there are some lessons here that you've definitely learned about what to do, what not to do, or maybe just some realities that you've accepted? Okay, there's going to be something else tomorrow and you
Yeah.
might want to talk about it, and there's going to be a response, good, bad, ugly, bad ke andar
I've
wo.
yeah, like I've accepted, and this is not like the first time it's happened and everything. Like there have been other issues also that I've spoken about and everything, and I think that's why I was like, acha, like yeah,
This is just a
um,
reality.
yeah, and I think because I have accepted the reality of that, this is a public space, a very very public space. That हाँ ये तो
Hmm.
होगा ठीक है. Um, and साफ सी बात है, because if it's a public space and it's also a very democratic space, so I've come to accept that everyone is entitled to their opinion. If you don't agree with me, that's okay, fine,
Hmm.
ठीक है. I'm also entitled to my opinion, ठीक है. Uh, हाँ, यस, लाइक कई दफा अगर तमीज से आप मुझसे बात करेंगे, समझाएंगे, एंड कई दफा यस आई डू लिसन टू पीपल, भले भले वो आई डू नॉट एग्री विद देम, लाइक आई सेड
Yeah.
विद दीस वुमेन हु टोल्ड मी दैट ये यू शुड नॉट बी टेकिंग अप स्पेस, आई हैव taken that on board and I was like, hey, how can I be better, and like at this, so that is something which I have like taken, but like um uh, I've just accepted it कि ये तो होगा,
Hmm.
साफ सी बात है.
One
And
thing
like
that happens
but
in
but but
these.
but it's also told me that I'm still very careful of how I word things.
Right.
That is one thing which I take a lot of time on. Like if I'm writing something, I was like, अच्छा ये word हटा दो, this is probably a bit inflammatory, or ये word ये replace कर दो, you this will might dilute it and everything. इस तरह I do play around with it, because if you're already like taking up such a hot button issue and everything, you also have to be very careful on how you're wording it, because especially when you have such a big standing, a bit following and everything, because यहाँ तो एक spark से पता नहीं क्या क्या बन जाता
Do
है.
people have you ever encountered somebody in real life who doesn't know you perhaps, or doesn't know you personally, and they were like, bro, तुमने उस दिन जो बात की थी वो मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया? Has that ever happened so far?
I get it. I get a lot from my relatives actually.
अच्छा.
Yeah. Where because and that's where I realized कि हमारी generational हमारा thought process कितना अलग है. जैसे like मेरे जो मामू and everything, he comes from a very like old school mindset. Old school in the sense like he grew up in the Zia era.
Okay.
And he in the Zia era, I think he was like a teenager, like 14, 15 and everything. तो उन्होंने Kool-Aid पूरा पी लिया है, ठीक है.
अच्छा.
पूरा का पूरा घोल घोल के उन्होंने
Do you
पूरा
want
Kool-Aid
me
पी.
to have you mention that this is your mamu? Yeah, मैं काट. Okay.
I don't think he's going to listen to this, but yeah,
Chalo, that makes more sense.
so yeah, not his cup of tea.
Yeah, yeah.
वो डॉक्टर शाहिद मसूद उसud को देखते हैं, ठीक
Ah,
है.
okay. I'll add थोड़ी destruction in the background.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
end of times and everything. But no, I've also said this to him and everything. But the thing is, it's very so उनके लिए जो है ना, like anything or everything like I'm posting, so he comes and asks me, he's like, तुम्हारी funding कहाँ से आ रही है,
अच्छा.
पैसे कौन दे रहे हैं? I was like, I wish someone was like paying me to write this stuff. I was like, no, it's my opinion and everything. And especially like just say once I'd like profiled like one of Pakistan's biggest actresses and everything, and like he's like, ये तुम कैसी खवातीन के साथ फिर रहे हो, तुम इनको कैसे ये खराब ये mindset, like in a very sexist and a bigotry like mindset. And I just counteracted. I was like, would you have said the same if I was profiling Atif Aslam per se, or probably one of a male? And he's like, nahi magar meri baat. And the thing is, because they're all stuck in this one mindset and this one
Hmm.
wo, um yeah, so like I get it from there. I get it from a lot of other male relatives also, who cannot seem to comprehend why a man would be talking about women's rights. Like it's just it like blows their mind. Like
Yeah, there has to be a sazish or
yeah,
outside
it's a
funding.
sazish, or like there's something wrong, like, and they and I know like the minute I walk out of the room and everything that they're probably talking about, trying to figure out कि
Yeah,
what's his deal,
yeah,
like that kind of thing. Like it's hard for them to comprehend कि hey, like there's allyship also, and like ये चीजें होती हैं, like you should be, and I was like, hey, you should be talking, you have daughters also, you should be also standing up for this, and you like um so yeah, like and I understand कि इनके साथ ये क्या होता है. Yeah, if I talk about a little bit of like India Pakistan dosti and everything, तब भी they get really riled up and everything. They're like, हैं ये क्या बकवास है, like. So
mm.
yeah, like I get it a lot from relatives, especially like the older generation. Yeah, from there. Other than like people on the street or random, no, thankful अभी तक नहीं.
What about people your age, our age?
Mm, overall, it's been pretty good.
They're
Like
on board.
yeah, even if they disagree with me, they respectfully like
अच्छा.
tell me like hey, respectfully. But yeah, अभी तक ऐसा कोई वो वाला encounter नहीं हुआ है जहाँ, but it's जो वो वाले encounter वो रिश्तेदारों से ही होते हैं and everything, and सबको हाँ मैंने तुम्हारा वो वाला पोस्ट पढ़ा था, like तुम्हारा वाला पोस्ट पढ़ा था, like ऐसी आपको like ऐसी like interrogation होती है आपकी. I was like, okay, okay, cool bro, why do you even follow me then? Follow करते हैं, देखना सब होता है,
I think
ठीक
वो
है.
हाँ नजर रख रहे हैं.
नजर
लड़का बिगड़ रहा है.
लग रहा है बहुत बिगड़ गया है
वो जो
out.
है, then how did the podcasting thing come up? Because that's photojournalism, video, you'd see like a link between all these. Now
Yeah.
podcasting is a
The
different
podcast was
space.
basically they Patari just approached me and everything, and it was Ramzan. And they were like, we see that you do food posts also
Yeah.
sometimes. And I do food like and that was something very recently. And I think I started doing that more in the pandemic because हम घर में बंद थे सारे, कुछ कर नहीं सकते थे. So, and I realized everyone was just trying, that their new dishes and everything. So, and I was like, this is one thing which cover karna bhi itna mushkil nahi tha. Like, I don't have to go like very far away and everything. And I think this was something which clicked a lot with the diaspora,
Yeah.
Where like
Yeah.
we're missing home and everything. So it wasn't very hard. Like a biryani wali ke paas chale ja, camera mein niche kiya, biryani nikala and everything, write something. It wasn't very much effort, and it also seemed to click, and it worked. Those posts did really well, and I also enjoyed doing them a lot. जो मेरा एक दिन होता था जिस दिन मैं वर्कआउट नहीं करता था, चीट डे होता था, आई प्लान इट आउट. अच्छा मैं खाऊंगा भी, ये कंटेंट भी क्रिएट हो जाएगा, लाइक क्लासिक एफिशिएंट बिलाल स्टाइल जो होता एक दिन में कितने पोस्ट निकल जाएंगे सारे, तो सारा वो खाना भी हो जाएगा, चीट डे भी हो जाएगा, कंटेंट भी निकल जाएगा. तो सो आई प्लान इट आउट इस तरह से. सो आई posted, and then Patari noticed. They're like, hey, आपने इतने सारे खाने के पोस्ट किए, we want to do a Ramzan podcast with you. And they gave me full creative control. They're like, we want anywhere between 8 to 10 episodes. Keep it 10 minutes long, because they're like, लोग ज़्यादा वो नहीं करेंगे. And they're like 10 minutes. They're like, हमें 10 minutes इसलिए चाहिए because कह रहे लोग ज़्यादातर ये होगा या तो अफ्तारी से पहले सुनेंगे या सहरी से पहले सुनेंगे. So कह रहे थे उस टाइम पे बस इतना ही उस टाइम का concentration span इतना है, कहते and keep it like as interactive as possible. So I pitched it to them. I was like, I want food, मैंने कहा, but I want to bring food and travel along साथ में, ताकि I can tell you like a story and everything. So like and I used all जो भी मेरे travels थे content जो था, like मैं गवादर गया, so it was like a travel kind of thing, but मैंने ये भी बताया था गवादर में खाने क्या क्या थे, वहाँ ईरानी कनेक्शन क्या था, ओमानी कनेक्शन क्या था. And so it just happened like and then I obviously थोड़ा रमजान थीम भी मैंने अंदर डाल दिया and everything. उन्होंने मुझसे ये भी कहा था कि आप एक थोड़ा एक्टिंग भी करिएगा कि आप खाना वाना बनाए. मैंने कहा मुझे सिर्फ अपना हेल्दी खाना बनाना आता है, ठीक है. मैंने कहा वर्कआउट मील सारे बता दूंगा आपको. Nobody is interested in any of that stuff, ठीक है, ठीक है. मैंने कहा इससे ज्यादा मैं नहीं बता सकता.
अफसोस होने लगा लोगों के, शिट यार ये तो
मैंने
बहुत मुश्किल जिंदगी है.
कहेंगे कौन है डूश बैग, हमें अनसब्सक्राइब करना है इससे, ठीक है. सो बट या नहीं, हमने इट जस्ट वर्कड आउट. इट वाज लाइक इंडियन पीपल रियली लाइक्ड इट. जो उनकी रैंकिंग भी आती है, आई थिंक उनकी वीकली रैंकिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, सो आई वाज शोइंग इट. It was consistently ranked in like the top 10 like 5 or 6 times. I was like, yes, I've made it. I'm on the same list as Atif Aslam, ठीक है. तो mention my parents being my parents, देसी parents, they're like आतिफ असलम से तो ऊपर. मैंने कहा आतिफ असलम से ऊपर मोना भी नहीं था. मैंने कहा आतिफ असलम नंबर 1 है. like मैंने कहा मैं एक ही लिस्ट में आ गया, साथ में सही है. Listen, ठीक है, contented with life, ठीक है.
I was interested in the thing specifically also क्योंकि पिछले साल ना यही pandemic में जो एक explosion हुआ था of people thinking कि maybe we should get into content. There were quite a few people जो podcast space में भी आए थे last year, and they were all like similar to this sort of like an interview type setup, which is I suppose the most traditional podcast thing. But yours I found very interesting because it was yahi narrative sort of based. There's one topic, it's you describing one thing. Do you think
it was actually pretty hard also because I had to write a script for it, ठीक है. And I had to write a script के यार, और 10 मिनट के लिए बोलना बहुत ज्यादा होता है, और अकेले like if there's like no one around you, ठीक है, like चलो हम लोग तो बात करें तो conversation flow हो ही जाती है, ठीक है.
exactly.
like आपने सवाल पूछा and everything, so it was very hard in the sense because like I had to keep it minimum at 10 minutes, 10 to 15, ठीक है. So then I was like, oh god, like मैंने कहा ये तो full caption क्या है, तो double triple caption लिखना होगा मुझे.
It's like an
So
essay.
like it was an essay and
Yeah.
everything. So like फिर मुझे दिमाग में like with a little bit of practice, self recording and everything, आदत तो ये समझ आ गया कि it has to be anywhere between 1500 to 2000 words long each episode, and I have to speak very slowly. I normally
Yeah.
speak pretty
Yeah.
fast. So then I was like आराम से इसको practice. So yeah, it wasn't easy, but
Do you think
but
it's
it was
something
fun.
you'll do more of? Or would you like to
Yes,
do more of?
definitely. I'd like to. I'd like to and everything. Before, if you'd asked me before I'd submitted it, I was a bit skeptical. I was like, because I think you probably even felt it the first time you hear yourself. You're like, यार
Oh
क्या
yeah.
चावल
Right.
क्या sound कर रहा हूँ
Yeah,
यार,
yeah,
that kind of thing. In fact,
100%.
मुझसे अपने इंटरव्यू भी नहीं देखे जाते. मैं कहता यार क्या लग रहा था,
Yeah.
ये मैंने क्या कर, ये जेस्चर क्या मारा, ये मैंने क्यों बोल दिया, ये वाली बातें.
Yeah.
So the first time I heard it, I was like यार like, क्या चवले मार रहा हूँ, ठीक है. But then when you notice that, oh, the audience likes it, they're responding to it, and you're kind of contributing to culture in a way that you're like, hey, why not? Like, why not?
Mm.
Then you have a lot of ideas in your head, and
Mm.
then I start making notes. I was like, acha, ye,
Speaking
yeah,
of
why?
ideas in your head, then what's happening? Like, do you have any? There's a lot of things there's like a lot of skills you're building up, like the photojournalism, now the podcasting, the tours, and now the interviews that you were doing yourself as well. Is there like a dream project that you're looking for where all of the
I'd like to do a book. Like that's one
I
thing.
was wondering when you were
Like
saying the script wali baat na mere book vibes aa rahi thi mujhe.
I that is my dream. Like that is my dream. I'd like to do a book. One like books, inshallah, I get to
Sure.
that stage. But one book I definitely like. It is one of my on my wish list that like I'd like a book. I was like, many articles kar liye. I've been published, alhamdulillah, papers and some of the biggest. But I was like a book just done by me, my name and all that. So that is one thing I'd like to do, and probably give a TED talk someday if I like that thing. Like
What sort
if
of
I
book?
get to that if I get to that level, I'd like to do a coffee table book.
Okay.
Uh, where it'd be like a picture book, but also like stories in it, like and probably on Karachi.
Right.
So like just about life, like where like I'd have sections on different areas where like you get to know the character of each area.
Mm.
साथ में I will also bring in like daily life in the sense के what each festival is celebrate, like what is 14th August like over here, what is like Christmas कैसी होती है, Eid पे कैसा होता है. So like I'd like to bring that together. Like I do have the material, I do
Huh.
have all the stuff, like I have that stuff, but like I have to somehow figure out how to get
I was wondering कि
the
मतलब do you think you have what you need already? कितना नया जमा
I
करना होगा?
I
What's that
think
in
I
your mind?
have. I think I have mostly everything, but I have to figure out the logistics of how to and obviously take out time
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
there's so
Yeah.
much happening. How to get that out there. But that is like a dream. Inshallah, I hope to do that someday. I will
Mm.
send you a copy.
No, I'm fully invested in the story, and I think Karachi can be a good starting point for you.
Yeah,
Because
inshallah.
books
Yeah,
के लिए you have to get the first one out.
First, it is always the first one where like we like with pictures also, like they say your first 10,000 pictures will be your worst photos. Now like when I look at my like सबसे पहली वाली तस्वीर and everything and read the caption, I was like
Yeah.
यार
Yeah.
yeah, that kind of it's like it's like your earliest Facebook post or something, or
Yeah.
you're like why did I do this, ठीक है.
Yeah.
But like you see, then you see the progress, you're like, oh okay, gradually, because you learn and
Yeah. Yeah.
everything,
Yeah.
and I think that's the process.
I think it would be weird if you saw something that you started out doing and you're like, huh, bro, best it. I think that
No,
would
yeah,
be
bro.
weird.
That would be really.
I can't let you go without asking you two more questions. The
Sure,
first,
sure.
I think the most important question is, what is the fitness journey? There is no mention of you on the internet without the guns. The guns are always there,
They're always there.
and yeah, and like now it's like when you do collaborations with Hassan bin Shaheen, I think his name is.
Yeah.
Videos, maybe the guns were present. So like, what is and I've seen on your stories, you're posting about your progress, bulk cut
Yes.
chal raha hai. So when did that start, and what's the importance of that in your life?
Yeah, honestly speaking, this was something which started in the pandemic. And this was again like one of those things which just happened out of boredom. ठीक है? I started last, I think, March tha,
Hmm.
and I'd actually gained a ton of weight. I was 105 kilos. And I'd gained it in over a period of time, and it was because there's a lot going on.
Sure.
And like one of the major things was that my mom was actually really sick and she was getting treatment abroad. And like in Desi households, you're not exactly allowed to express how you're
Yeah.
feeling.
Yeah. So you ate
So,
your feelings.
so I just ate my way. I just ate my
Yeah.
feelings. I used to
Yeah.
eat and eat, and lo and behold, kaboom, theek
Yeah.
hai. And so what happened was like the pandemic. My brother has been relatively more fit and everything. So उसने मुझसे ऐसी कहा था, and we were just all in lockdown. He's like, hey, just come work out with me शाम में. मैंने कहा मेरा कोई mood नहीं है. He's like, just try. थोड़ा सा, he's like, you'll have something to do. So we just started working out together. And my brother and I were very different personalities. Like I've always been like the nerdy one, जिसको किताबों का शौक है, not very athletic. My brother's the athletic one, the one who's gifted. Like उसको कोई भी sport खिला दो, he will be the best player. Like the best player. I am जो last pick
Yeah.
होगा,
Yeah.
ठीक है?
Yeah. Okay.
So we're very different that way. So and we've always had a lihaz wala relationship, but not exactly friends. So then he was like, you know what, you should just come work out with me. And then I was like, okay, fine, कर लेते हैं and everything. शुरू में मैंने बहुत तंग किया उसे, मैं कहा मुझसे नहीं होता है, मुझे मजा नहीं आता, ये क्या है? मैं कहा, मेरे एब्स क्यों नहीं आ रहे अभी? मैं 5 दिन से वर्कआउट कर रहा हूँ and
Yeah. Yeah.
everything.
It's a valid
But then like
question.
but then he was really patient with me. He's like, yeah, just keep going, keep going, keep going. And I think it was like at that, I don't know why I just continued at it, because like I said, it's just boredom, because
Yeah. Yeah.
we were looking for things to do and working from home and everything. You wanted a routine. I think it was at the 10th week where I was like, I look in the mirror and everything. I was like, oh, this looks good. This doesn't look too bad. And I
Wow.
was like, acha sahi hai, theek hai. I was like, okay, let's do this 10 more weeks. I want to see how this looks. Theek hai. And then when you just and my brother told me one thing. He's like, कि तुम progress photos जरूर लेना. He's like, photograph yourself on your first day,
Yeah.
and then I'd compare and I'd see progress. I was like, okay, this seems to be working. My brother seems to know what he's doing. And then just like now, like today actually, just today marks 1 year, like exactly 1 year.
Wow. But
Been
इसीलिए
one
हमने
year.
किया ये पूरा podcast.
Easy.
I'm surprised कि it's only been a year though, because you're like
Yeah.
proper fit, and I thought कि
Alhamdulillah,
ये तो
alhamdulillah.
lifelong scene है boy का
No,
clearly.
no, lifelong. Like I'm. This is one of the things I'm like really, really like happy I got into and everything, and really proud of it and everything. And it has been hard because somehow you have to figure, because एक बात होती है आपको हमेशा, and उसने जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी बात बताई थी, उसने कहा बिलाल अगर तुम्हें fit होना है and you want to stay like this, he's like, you have to remember you have to be irregularly regular, in the sense कि he's like अगर your friends are inviting you out and everything, don't be like, oh नहीं मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, or oh no I'm going to order a Caesar salad. He's like, no, just have it, it's fine. Just remember that you're going to work out and everything.
Make up for it.
If you're traveling also, it's fine.
Hmm.
like I went to Lahore for 3 days. मैंने तो लाहौरियों ने सिर्फ मुझे ठूसा है और कुछ नहीं, मुझे सिर्फ पूरियां खिलाई हैं,
Yeah.
पूरियां
They
चने
took it as a
पूरियां
challenge.
लस्सी लस्सी हाँ कुछ कुछ एक चीज नहीं थी जो मैं कहूंगा यार ये स्लाइटली हेल्दियर ऑप्शन था.
Right. Right.
टिक्के कबाब कुछ नहीं. So but then you have to know, you're like, okay, fine, when I come back I'll work out, it's fine, relax. And yeah, so like it's been a journey. I'll write about it someday.
Yeah, no, I think this has the good stuff. ये irregular regular वाली बात भी, और also the, just you took 10 weeks such, and then you're like 10 more weeks. You're not like looking at, कि बस मुझे ultimate Greek god बनना. You're like just one next step, एक और step
यार
लेके
because
देखो.
एक और जो चीज होती है, you're never satisfied. ठीक है,
Yeah.
now that's the problem. ठीक है, when you're like यार अच्छा ये भी है, he's like, अभी तो मैं हेनरी कैविल जैसा क्यों नहीं दिख रहा यार, अब ये हो गया. नहीं, अब मैं
Who
वैसा क्यों
among
नहीं दिख
us has not asked this question? कि मैं Henry Cavill जैसा क्यों लग रहा?
रहा. मैं नहीं, मुझे तो सुपरमैन बनना है. ठीक
Have
है,
you gotten to
Superman
the
बनना है.
point where you're investigating genetics? ये मैंने देखा है, कुछ लोग कहते हैं यार मेरे calf muscles नहीं बन रहे because मेरे genes का bad sound. Like इतनी सोच.
कभी कभार yes, now like मेरे YouTube पहले मेरा YouTube जो था used to be like travel. Now my YouTube is just bodybuilding, all
Yeah, yeah.
ये सारे आते हैं recommendations. And तो अब घर का भी YouTube YouTube जो है वो सेम हो जाता है and everything, सबका हो जाता है. तो मेरी अम्मी भी YouTube, he's like, ये कौन bench press recommendations भेजती है? मुझे क्यों आ रही है ये recommendation? So
Yeah.
yeah.
That's the algorithm. Acha, last question. I said I let you go in an hour, but if I could be indulged, something we ask traditionally, but not everyone has an answer. So even if you don't, it's fine. Do you have any gin stories?
Gin stories. Yeah, actually from my parents. My parents have one. Okay? So I will tell that story. Okay?
Sure.
So my parents actually live in Taif. Taif is like it's a
In Saudi?
city outside Makkah. Yeah, they live in Saudi. So they
Oh,
live
okay.
in it's right outside Makkah. In fact, they live in a little town. It's called Al Hada, which is it's like a hill right above Makkah. So it's like 20-30 minutes down. Okay? So ये उनके एक उन्हीं के कम्युनिटी के किसी बंदे के साथ हुआ था. वो लाइक उम्रे पे गए थे एंड जब उम्रे पे गए थे अपने बच्चे के साथ एंड देयर किड डिसअपीयर्ड एंड नोबडी न्यू कि वो बच्चा कहाँ गया था एंड एनीथिंग लाइक खैर उसकी अम्मी रो रही थी एंड एवरीथिंग इन द हरम एंड ऑल दैट एरिया एंड देन दिस गाय केम अप टू हर आउट ऑफ नोवेयर लाइक कोई वो नहीं एंड एवरीथिंग और आया उन्होंने कहा उनसे कि मुझे पता है आपका बच्चा किधर है एंड शी इज लाइक हे एक्सक्यूज मी हु आर यू ठीक है
Yeah.
एंड शी इज लाइक ही इज लाइक आप मुझसे नहीं पूछे मैं कौन हूँ मुझे पता है आपका बच्चा कहाँ है एंड एवरीथिंग एंड उन्होंने कहा कि ये एक जगह है मक्का के बाहर एंड एवरीथिंग और वादी जिन है ठीक है उसे कहते हैं एवरीथिंग एंड ही इज लाइक आपको वहां जाना होगा एंड ये एक ये टेंट है ये जगह है आपको वहां जाना होगा आपको अपना बच्चा वहां मिल जाएगा एंड एवरीथिंग उन्होंने मगर इंस्ट्रक्शंस ये दिए थे कि आप जब जाइएगा सिर्फ आप या शायद आप अपने मियाँ और किसी और को मत लेके जाइएगा खैर ठीक है वो औरत चली गई परेशान she's like well, I don't know like who's this weird man but she's like because when you're परेशान and
Yeah.
बेबस you're like
You'll
I'm
take
ready to do
anything.
anything
Yeah.
मैं अपना बच्चा लेने की तो एक ये है मक्का से बाहर एक जगह थी ये गई वहां कहती है like as far as the eye could see there were just these tents and काले पहाड़ बिल्कुल काले काले पहाड़ like वाली बात है तो गई वहां ठीक है जैसे उसने बोला था जो डायरेक्शन दिया था वैसे ही जाके उन्होंने अपना बच्चा लिया एंड एवरीथिंग ले एंड
बच्चा था
उन्होंने
उधर.
ज्यादा बच्चा मिल गया था और कह रही थी कि लोगों की शक्लें वकलें नहीं थी लाइक कहती है एवरीवन हैड जस्ट लाइक कुछ कपड़ा बांधा था कवर्ड ववर्ड था एंड एवरीथिंग कहती है ज्यादा बातचीत भी नहीं करी कुछ भी नहीं उन्होंने बस मुझसे नाम पूछा he's like hey you're that woman जो met that guy over there at the haram she's like yeah she's like oh you're looking for your kid and she was like it was as if they were expecting me she's like हाँ तो उसने कहा अच्छा ये आपका बच्चा है and she was like okay thank you am I supposed to give you something they're like nahi you can go she was like okay this is weird but she's like okay thanks बच्चा मिल गया अब वो चलती चलती बस जा रही है अपनी गाड़ी के पास and when she turns around there were no tents and there was सिर्फ पहाड़ सिर्फ
Nice.
पहाड़
But बच्चा
so
था ना लेकिन the बच्चा was still with her.
but yeah so वो यही कहती है बच्चे को हाथ लगा रही थी कहती है बच्चा but it was weird and everything
Wow.
and where and she's like मैं गाड़ी में गई and she's like बस मैंने she's like it was a bit surreal कि like oh ये how I found this kid and what she's like I just couldn't comprehend it and she's like but when I just turned around she was like there was no tents and she's like there was no even valley she was like it was just like एक बस पहाड़ था एक दीवार थी बस and she's like I just she's like ना मुझे कुछ समझ आ रहा है ना मेरी मियाँ कह रही बस हम बाहर निकल गए we're like okay fine बच्चा
Wow.
मिल गया so
What
yeah
a story.
that was one like this like and it happened very recently with my parents and everything
That
where
makes it
they
yeah. The recent because गाड़ी in itself means कि ये 80 साल पुरानी कहानी नहीं है, and
yeah
it's the recent stories that you're more like shit.
yeah
You're
yeah
more
yeah 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 exactly and अच्छा मेरा माँ बाप ये जो है ना कि they're like तुम आना हम तुम्हें लेके जाएंगे वादी जी मैं कहा मैं नहीं जाना ठीक है मैंने कहा मैं अकेले सोता हूँ ठीक है मैंने कहा इंटरनेट ट्रोल्स मेरे लिए काफी है
yeah,
ठीक है
yeah, yeah, yeah. Chale, I think that's a great. Anything else you want to talk about? You wanted to mention that we didn't cover?
I
Something
mean
you've had in your
anything you want to
mind?
ask I'm an open
I
book
think
जो
I'm
पूछना है
I'm
पूछ
good. I'm good for questions for this episode. But I think जिस तरह के तुम बंदे हो, you're gonna find your way back on here sooner
inshallah
than later.
inshallah
Uh,
always
yeah, no, that's very good, man. Thanks very much for coming. Where do you want people to find you on your Instagram? Is that
yeah
the
on my
main
Instagram
place?
on my
Are
Instagram on my
you
Instagram
gonna make a jump to YouTube? Have you already made a jump to YouTube?
I do
Or is that
think about it, but then like I just get overwhelmed. I was like, यार बहुत ज़्यादा काम
काम बहुत
है,
है?
because
Yeah,
that
yeah.
that kind of thing. But yeah, inshallah someday.
When does the psychiatrist journey complete? The पढ़ाई वाली.
I think another like 5-6 years or something. I think for
Five,
life.
six
This
years. Oh,
this will
अच्छा.
be for life and everything. But I like it. I like it. And now I feel like I'm also contributing to society because we meet a lot of people who are like in the post-COVID PTSD. So that's one
Yeah.
thing which
Yeah.
so yeah,
Okay.
inshallah.
Okay. लोग ये नहीं पूछ रहे शादी कब करोगे?
क्या शादी?
लोग ये नहीं पूछ रहे कि you know तस्वीरें ले रहा है, ये कर रहा है, पढ़ाई भी खत्म कब करेगा, शादी कब होगी इसकी?
यार ये this is like one of the most because in Pakistan it's very hard for people to comprehend that आप एक डॉक्टर हो who has other interests because
Yeah.
दिमाग में उनके होता है एक डॉक्टर साहब एक इमेज होती है, ठीक है, डॉक्टर
Yeah.
साहब एक होंगे, सीरियस से होंगे, मैं हमेशा मेरा स्टेप टपका वो
Test
होगा
हो गया,
ये
yeah.
और सब. So like they have a very hard time comprehending. It's one of the questions I get the most whenever I do one of those ask me anything. ठीक है. So
Yeah.
it's like how do you get time? Or are you really doctor? Or like are you really doctor? ये वाले question बहुत आते हैं रवि. अच्छा फिर कई तो आते हैं where are you doctor? मैंने कहा ये पहुंच जाएंगे मेरे काम पे दूसरी बार.
Verify करना
तो
जरूरी है.
verify करना. तो yeah, like it's very hard for them to comprehend in like you can have other interests because if you're you're a doctor, engineer, lawyer, तो वो expect करते हैं बस यही करोगे, cradle to grave.
Yeah.
So that
Yeah.
even my
For a
parents
long
have a hard
time,
time comprehending.
Pakistan में for a long time this also was like the reality. मतलब थे भी
Of
नहीं
course.
options.
Of
So,
course.
yeah, it makes sense.
Of course.
चलो.
It's
I think this has been great. We went in some interesting places that I didn't expect to go, and very happy that we got a gin story. Mr. Pagi is that's how you say it, right?
yes.
Mr. Pagi. That's you know him. If you're here, you know him. If probably you don't know who we are, but I think it's been great. And yeah, if you have any follow-up questions, aap bataएं तो हम we'll have him on again. Waiting for your book to come out, bro. ठीक है जी. This has been a TPR Pod Mahal Upper. Links वगैरह as usual. Bye. I never know how to end these.